Hi, this is Preeti here, mother of Drishya, who studies in Footprints HSR layout. I want to share my feedback regarding the online classes that have been held so far for the preschool category. The teachers who are anchoring these sessions for the preschool group for Drishya are Chalantika Ghosh ma'am and Swati Mishra ma'am. So initially, when the idea was proposed, we were quite wary about participating in this session because this would mean an increased screen time, which ideally I would like to avoid. However, considering the uncertainty that we have, we decided to take a look as to how this goes for us. With regards to the session, it has been really good so far. The teachers and the director has taken a lot of efforts in curating sessions for every day. So the session starts with simple prayers, rhymes, which grabs the attention of the kids, and slowly they move on to specific activities which are really loved and enjoyed by the kid. Special mention to specific activities that were conducted in the recent past were the Mother's Day activity, where they involved both the mother and the kid, and they conducted activities that were done jointly by both mom and the kid. And needless to say, both of us really enjoyed it. And the teachers are well prepared for the session, and they send all the required details well in advance so that the parent can be prepared ahead of the session. And specific activities that are being given at the end of the session for completion before the next day are really good because it gives the parent some idea as to how to engage the kid effectively. So the effort and the activities that have been conducted so far are really great. I request the Footprints organization to continue doing the good work. Thank you.